Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Hello guys, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena, and today our Arena challenge, we have Jonathan Lee over here. Okay, so now we're gonna choose which one we're gonna put on the track right now. And so here, alright, let's see what we're gonna put. Number 5, that'll be the digital. And mine will be number 4. What's 4? Number 4, I believe is, oh, that's the
Rocking.
No. The number 4 is the lane change jump. Yeah. So number 5 and 4. So now we're gonna set up the truck right now.
Round 1, fight! KO! You win! Round 2, fight! KO! You win! Round 3, fight! NANI?! What?! KO! You win!
Hey Roy, that was a fun race. I can't wait until the next one. See you next time, man, and be safe. Signing out. Okay, so this is the car I'm using for this arena challenge. So at the front, I'm for the body dampers, I'm using the MS brake, and to make the body dampers, it's just like this. Okay, and also I'm using the popsicle and add the catcher, and to make fish tails like this. And also at the back, I'm also using like the tail dampers like this. And also, because this track layout we have rocking straight and the digital curve, so which this one I'm using the this time like the testing version, the RS 4.0. So you can see this one can move like backward, and this one as well can move like backward. So which means is when this when it is hitting the rocking straight, and you be able to change the shape, because this one can do like this, so it has like more space for the car to pass the rocking straight. And then, but the other thing is, even though you have this kind of a setup, no matter anchor or even though you have the pivot setup, still, because after like too many times like the digital and the rocking straight those hit your car, there might be some kind of damage, whatever is not, you are not be able to see. Like, just give you an example, like you can see here I have a 620 bearing, and it's trying to block my front arm, and to make sure it's not touching the wheels. You can see here there's a rooms here, you can see here, see there's still a gap here, so make sure my wheel is not touching the rollers. But on this side, if you can see here, the 620 is disappeared. So I just realized after the race is done, so I'm not sure when does that loss. But the things I have to say is, well, because of those hit the rocking straight or no matter digital curve, you better, if you have a chance to like race in this kind of a track layout, for example digital or rocking straight, you better check the car setup detailedly every 2 or 3 times, and to make sure there nothing is damaged. Give you an example, like like you can see in the video, my friend John is very clearly is here, his car is slowing down on during the 3rd round. So because we just find out after the race is because of his car, even though he has a pivot and the rear PV whatever already set up the systems, but his car, because of those the rocking straight and the digital curve, his propeller shaft has been damaged. So here, that's why the things I can suggest people is do some check like detailedly, especially the transmission and all that your front and rear setup, and to make sure there's nothing wrong with your car setup. So every time when you your car is running on the track, is make sure there's no problem at all. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button for me please, and I will see you next time. Thank you, bye bye.